In this vlog, we will learn how to navigate in Flutter from one screen to another. So this is a basic tutorial, but I am getting questions from so many people regarding this particular topic. So I just want to clarify them with no dependency to be added. So let us directly dive into the code. So here this is our main.dart is a file which we load on the app start. So here right from void main we instantiate our myapp class which is extending stateless widget here. So inside which you can observe we have written a material app which has an initial root. So the first screen to be loaded is the one which we have defined with the initial root. So we have not defined any class after the forward slash. So next coming to the roots. So the roots are nothing but the class files which we want to navigate when the user click on a particular button. So let us see, we have declared the roots separately so that we can access these roots globally throughout our application. So here you can see we have specified a separate class called roots, inside which we have defined a constant strings. About is one class we are having and settings is another class, so we have defined them, and also home root also we have defined here. So let us use them and navigate to the screens. Here in home we have specified my home class which is extending a stateless widget. Here you can see we are not using any stateful widget because we are not performing any task, we are just navigating task in the sense any computations if you need to perform then you need to use stateful widgets there. So here we are not performing any computations, so we don't require any stateful widget as of now. So with the same stateless widget we can return a scaffold. Here we have provided an app bar inside which we have provided two buttons and a text view. So let us see the output. Here you can see a simple example of roots and its navigation how we perform. So when you click on about button you can navigate to about screen here, and you can come back and you can navigate to settings screen. So this is a basic thing, and how we are doing here is we are using navigator dot push name, and here we are passing the context, and here we are passing slash about to that particular screen. So instead of slash about we have specified a global class, right? So let us try to use it. Roots dot about, and let us try whether this thing will work or not. Let us perform a hot reload and try to, yes, this thing also works. So we might specify in either the case roots dot about root. So here you can see what is about root slash about. So now I think you understood why we declared it globally rather than declaring it in every screen, because we can use the same code multiple times and also less code through the program. So here, and also from settings screen we can go to about screen, and like vice versa we can do anything. So this is a simple explanation of roots concept in Flutter. So I think now you are clear with this particular topic, and if you are still having any questions like implementation wise you can ask me in the comment section below, and the code for this tutorial is also available in the description section. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tutorials coming on Flutter.